This is my guitar. This is the high pitch string, and this is the low pitch string. The low pitch string has the low pitch because it is thicker and longer than the high pitch string. And the high pitch string has the high pitch because it is shorter and thinner than the low pitch string. And when we tighten the high pitch string up, it makes the high pitch, and when we loosen the high pitch string, it makes the low pitch. This is my flute. The short straw makes the high pitch sound, and the long straw makes the low pitch sound. I can make the sound softer if I blow it soft. And I can make the sound louder by blowing it hard. These are my maracas. The green one makes the low pitch sound, and the orange one makes the high pitch sound. When we shake the maracas softly, it makes the soft sound. If we shake the maracas hard, it makes the loud sound. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make a shadow and making it bigger or smaller using a flashlight and a paper bag.
Okay.
When I put the paper bag away from the flashlight, the shadow is small. When I put the paper bag closer to the flashlight, the shadow is big. I'm gonna show you how to change a direction of a light using a flashlight and a mirror.
Okay.
So the light is facing towards me. I'm gonna use the mirror to shine it on my book.